Hi, today I'm gonna explain triangles. So triangles have three sides. Okay, so we'll name it A, B, C. So one side, two side, three sides. Okay, and each corner of the triangle is called the vertex. This is the vertex. Okay, and then this is the angles of the triangle. And then when we name the lines, we always go alphabetically. So we take, with this line, is called AB, this is called BC, and this one is called AC. Always go alphabetically. And then any side of the triangle can be the base of a triangle. And the height, that means this one can be the base, this one can be the base, and this one can be the base, whichever side you can turn. And the height of a triangle is always perpendicular to its base. So let's say this is the base. You draw a line down. You see this perpendicular means this must be 90 degrees. So no matter how you draw your triangle, the angle, the line from the top that touches the bottom of the base, it must be 90 degrees. So for example, let's say we draw this. This is A, this is B, this is C. So you draw a straight line down. So this is your height. Okay, so for this will be your height. Okay, so you can draw any form of triangle as long as the height has to be perpendicular to the base. So let's say this is the base. Okay, so let's say this is the base, you draw perpendicular down. So this is 90 degrees. This is the height. Okay. So let's say we have an example. A triangle that is different. Okay, so let's say this is P, Q, R. So what you do is you take the base, you draw a straight line down. So the line where it meets the extended line of the base, this is 90 degrees. So this is the height. Because this cannot be the height, it's not 90 degrees. Correct? This is not 90 degrees. So this cannot be the height. So the only thing you can do is, from here you drop down, dotted line, touch the base, and this is your 90 degrees. So this is your base, this is your height, this is the three sides to the triangle. Okay, so now we try a sample. Okay, this is an example. A, B, C. Okay, so if A, B is the base, let's say this is the base, how do you calculate the height? So the height is, you take from this point, draw a perpendicular line. You see this is 90 degrees, right? So this is the height. Okay, so let's say this is the base, perpendicular line down, this is the height. And then if this is the base, then you draw a perpendicular line. So you can also use your set square to check if this is 90 degrees. And then this will be a height. Okay, so this is the base of triangles. So this is how you use to find the height. Okay, now that we know the height, why we use the height is because we want to find area of triangle. So area of triangle. The area of triangle is half times base times height. This is area of triangle. So let's say they give you any triangle. This is your height, this is your base. This is your height, this is your base. Okay, so this is your height, this is your base. So area of triangle is half times base times height. This one must remember. Okay, now we look at some examples where we find area of triangle. Okay, for example, find the area. Find area of A, B, C. So let's say I draw the ABC. Okay, so I give this is the height. This is base. Let's label the triangle. Okay, and then now always write down the formula. So area equals to half times base times height. So it equals to half times base is 12 times height. So this one, fractions, 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 times 7, 42. And because this is cm, unit for area is cm squared. So you write here cm squared. Okay, so now we try another triangle. Okay, let me draw D, E, F. Okay, for D, E, F, okay, let's say D, E, F. This is 10 cm. This is 6 cm. This is 8 cm. Okay, so now how we find the area of DEF? Write down the formula. Area equals to half times base times height, which equals to half times 8 times height. So the height is not the longest. The height is the one with the right angle, which is perpendicular down, 6. So this another way of doing this. If you don't want to cancel, you take this times this. 8 times 6, 48. Divided by 2. 24 cm squared. Okay, but your multiplication is not so good, use the fraction first. Divide by 2, 1. Divide by 2, 4. 4 times 6, 24. Okay, so I'm going to show one more triangle which is not so direct with the height. Okay, let's look at PQR. Okay, area of triangle. Let me draw the triangle. P Q R. Okay, now we will give you the base is 8 cm. And then the height okay. So formula for area of triangle is half times base times height. Okay, then now you fill in half times base. Okay, base is this one, Q and R, not the one that is outside. Okay, this is the base. So we will take 8 and we don't take 6. 6 is just an extension. So this is 8 times height. Height is from P, you drop down to the base, which is 10. Okay, so fraction, half times 8 will give you 4. 4 times 10 will give you 40. And then write down the unit, cm squared. And now we will go on to perimeter. Okay, perimeter is sum of all sides. Okay, A, B, C. Let's say this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Perimeter will be 6, all the sides, 6 plus 7 plus 8. Which will give you 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 8, 21 cm. Okay, so let's say they give you the perimeter. Okay, let's say you have a problem sum. They tell you perimeter is 40 cm. And then they draw the triangle. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, so they tell you B to C is 15 cm. A to C is 17 cm. And then they want to find area. Okay, how do you do this? For area, first you find what is this side. So perimeter means all the sides combined. So to find AB, you must take the whole perimeter minus away this to give you this. So AB equals to 40 minus 15 minus 17. So 40 minus 15 will give you 25. 25 minus 17 will give you 8. Okay, so this is 8. So now you know this is 8 already. How to find area? So formula for area is area half times base times height. Half base is 15. Height is 8. So fraction again. 15 times 4 will give you 60 cm squared. Okay, this is how you solve it for area if they give you perimeter. Okay, so now moving on to more complicated triangles. For instance, we have a square, okay, and a triangle. So A, B, C, D. Oops. Sorry, let me do this again. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so this is a square. This is a triangle. Okay, and then you need to find the area. So let's fill in all the sides. They only give you 2 sides, 6 cm. Okay, let me redraw this. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now we have a more complex figure. Okay, so the length of this, okay, So when they write this, right, that means all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal means this is a square. And then this side is 6, and then they give you this as 16. Okay, so the property of a square is all sides are equal. So if this side is 6, this side is also 6 cm, this side is also 6 cm, this side is also 6 cm. So if this side is 6 cm, A to E is 6 cm, E to D is 16 minus 6, which will give you 10. Okay, so now how do we find area of this? So how you find area of this figure is you do part by part. First, we do the square. So area of A, B, C, E is, area of square will be length times breadth. 6 times 6, length times breadth. 6 times 6, 36 cm squared. And then find the area of CDE. Area of CDE is, because it's a triangle, right? So we use triangle formula, half times base, I'm going to write B, times height. Okay, base times height. So half times, okay, base is this one, okay, 10, and height is 6. You see, this is the height, the length that touches the base, and it's at 90 degrees. So which will give you half times 10, 5. 5 times 6, 30. So the area of the square is 36. The area of this is 30. So total area is 66 cm squared. Let me write here. 36 plus 30. So this is how you get the area for more complex figures, like shapes which are combined with a triangle and a square.